there, it's me, Mrs. Michelson, and I'm going to walk you through playing hot cross buns on recorder today. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do with any song when you're learning it is you're going to want to sing and finger it first. We've practiced that in class, and what that means is when you're looking at the music, you want to say the pitch letter and hold it out for as long as you need to, and then move your fingers along on recorder. So on your recorder, you would sing while you're looking at your music, and I can see it reflected here. You would go B, A, G, rest, rest. Okay? So we're going to sing and finger through hot cross buns together first. Okay? We're going to sing and finger through it together first before we actually play it. I have my music in front of me, and you should have your music in front of you as you do it. So we're going to sing and finger first. I have my left hand on top, which may look weird in the reflection of this, but this is my left hand. Okay? And we're going to sing and finger it. We don't actually put it in our mouths and play it yet because this helps our brains actually make sure that we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. So let's sing and finger the first line of hot cross buns together. 1, 2, ready, sing and finger. B, A, G, rest, rest. B, A, G, rest, rest. Good. Now, let's play the first line of hot cross buns together by blowing. We've done everything else. We're just going to blow. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Good. Now, let's sing and finger the second line. The first note is a G because it's on the second line. Every good burger deserves fries. G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G, rest, rest. You might be wondering why these go faster than these. Remember, these were half notes, and remember, these are quarter notes. And whenever you play a quarter note, it is half of the amount of time as a half note. There are 4 quarter notes in one measure and only 2 half notes. So when you say them, you have to do ta, 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 ta. G, 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 G. A, 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 A. And remember to be careful that your half notes are longer once again. Let's play that second line now that we've sing and fingered it. Ready? Go. Good. Let's play the whole song now. Hot cross buns. And I'm going to move back so you can see my fingers a bit. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. I hope that helps, and you can replay this video as many times as you need to for extra help. Just remember, a B is always on the third line. Every good burger has 1 finger over the thumb hole and 1 finger over the first part. An A is on the second space, 2 fingers and a thumb. And a G is on the second line. Every good burger deserves fries. And you have 3 fingers down for G and your thumb hole. keep practicing, and I can't wait to see your videos of your test very soon.